Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Google Drawings within a Google document. You can use Google Drawings even if you are not signed in to Google Docs, as long as you have access to a document that you can edit, so something that's been shared with you with editor rights. You don't have to be able to sign in to access Google Drawings because you can get to it straight through the menu in Google Docs. So to do that, we go to Insert, Drawing and New, and you'll get a blank canvas a little bit like this one here. Just with any kind of drawing tool, there are some basic tools along the top here that you can use. You can insert lines and arrows, curved lines, do a sort of scribbly line. You've got shapes, various different shapes that you can include, and arrows, speech bubbles and stars and things, and useful things for equations. And then text boxes, of course, just for adding text wherever you want. And you can insert images you can upload from your computer just by dragging and dropping or choosing from your file system. You can take a snapshot of your screen. You can find a URL somewhere on the web and drop that in there. And if you are signed in, you'll get some other options, for example, to add things from Google Photos or from Google Drive. I'm not going to worry about that at the moment. I'm just going to share with you how to use basic tools such as adding in a shape. So we can draw ellipses and circles. If you hold down the Shift key, you can constrain it so you get a nice perfect circle. And you'll notice when you first insert a shape like this, it fills it with a light blue colour. You can change that fill colour to whatever you want. You've got all sorts of options there, and you can add custom colours in between these as well. I'm just going to go for a white fill. You can also make it transparent so you can see through it. And you can change the border colour as well. Let's make it a sort of dark red, and I'm going to make that a slightly thicker border. Let's go for a 3 pixel border. Okay, so I've got a lovely white circle with a red border now, and if you double click on a shape that you have entered, you can add text into the middle of that shape. So it will automatically start typing, as you would start adding text as you type. Just as you would with any other word processing document, then you can do things like align it, make it bold. You can change the font, and you can change the size of the text. Let's make that even bigger. There we go. And when you're done, when you're happy with the way it looks, just hit Save and Close, and it will drop that picture that you've created into your Google Doc. You can resize it as you need to within the document, making it smaller and larger. And if you decide you need to edit at any point, you can just click on it and you get this little edit button. It'll take you back into the editor. Another useful thing you can do here is if somebody else has shared a Google drawing with you, like this one for example. Let's say I had this one shared to me and I want to be able to edit this, but I don't want to make changes to the original. Well, I could select the whole thing, just drag a box around it like that, or press Ctrl and A on the keyboard to select all. Control C to copy, and then if we go back to my document and exactly as I did before, Insert, Drawing, New, open up the drawing canvas, and I can paste Ctrl and V. I can paste that drawing directly into here, and now I can edit it in my own document. So just as before, I can type directly into each of these by double clicking on them. You can move them around, you can recolor them, you can do whatever you'd like to do with them really. Let's change the color of those ones. I can make the fill color slightly different. There we go. So you can experiment with it and see what you can create. Once you're done, save and close, and it will drop it into your document. And remember, if you need to go back and edit at any point, just click on it and use the edit button at the bottom to get back in and make more changes. When you're done, save and close, and there you go. You can add as many different drawings into your document as you want. Each time just go to Insert Drawing, New, and it'll give you a new blank canvas to start with. I hope you found that useful, and go ahead and give it a little try, see how you get on, and let me know how you found it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.